Hello student, now we are learning the AC voltage applied to the pure resistor. In that case, we are using the resistors, okay? And to this resistors we are connecting the AC voltage. This AC voltage is connected only purely to the resistor, having the resistance is R. This AC voltage is having the EMF is E, and the current which is flowing through this circuit is I. This instantaneous resistance, instantaneous EMF of E is given by instantaneous EMF E is given by, which is given by the equation, which is that equation, that is E is equal to E naught into sin omega t, where E naught is the peak value of the EMF and this omega t is the angle. Sine function is involved in that case of it. After that, the potential difference. Now this EMF is produced across this resistor's voltage, and that potential drop across the resistors, potential drop across the resistors R is given by the Ohm's law. That is, according to the Ohm's law, E is equal to, we know that E is equal to current I into R. Okay, and in that case we write here the E is equal to current I into the R value of it. Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, like that we are applying the formula for it. Now two equations are there, from equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1 and 2. We write here from 1 and 2. If we equate these two equations, what you will get here? If we equate these two equations, you will get here the I into R is equal to I into R, that is E. And this E, we are writing here E naught into the sine omega t. Okay, I is equal to E naught into the sine omega t. Then I is equal to what? E naught divided by R is here, it is divided by this function E naught upon R into the sine omega t. Then we write I is equal to I naught into the sine omega t. Have you got this? This I naught is called as the peak value, which is equal to E naught upon R value. Means whatever the peak value, maximum value of this EMF divided by R value, definitely this peak value of the current is reduced, and that reduced values will become here, and that's why these two functions are different. Means E naught is greater than I naught. This is the important values and equations. E naught is greater than I naught, because in that case we consider as the E naught upon R is equal to the I naught, and that's why this value I naught value is decrease of it. Now we will draw the graph of this rotating vectors of it. Phasor vectors are there. Two phasors we consider here, the EMF and the current. That is the voltage and the currents are there. And from these two equations, E is equal to E naught into sine omega t, I is equal to I naught into sine omega t. We will draw here the graph of it. For this graph, we require some observation chart, and that is the angle value omega t. If omega t is that value is a 0, that angle is a pi by 2, that value is a pi, 3 pi by 2 or pi by 2. Then what is the value of the sine omega t? Sine 0 means what? 0. Sine pi by 2 use as a 1 value, 1. Sine pi value use as the again 0. Sine 3 pi by 2 use as a minus 1, and sine 2 pi use as a 0 value. If I take it as a equation E is equal to, here I wrote here, E is equal to E naught into sin omega t from equation number 1. See that here. The E is equal to E naught into sin omega t. Here we are substituting the value of the sin omega t. What is the value of the sin omega t? If the angle is 0, that will come to the 0, and 0 multiplied by E naught gives as a 0 value. Therefore, this value gives as a 0. Next is a sin omega t becomes as a 1. This is a E naught is a maximum value. Again, pi value will be there. Sin pi is 0. That value gives as a 0. Next is this gives as a minus E naught, again 0. Same for the current, again same function is there, sine function is there. Already we calculate the sine value of it. Only instead of the E naught we can also write the I naught value. Again, if I substitute the sin omega t is a 0 value, sin omega t is a 0, multiplication I naught gives as a 0 value, sin pi by 2 value gives as a 1, 1 into the I naught gives as the I naught value, again 0, this will be the minus I naught value, again this will give as a 0. In this way we complete the start of it. After that we are plotting the graph of it. How to plot the graph of it? Use this. Angle is there 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, like that. Equal distance we mark on this x-axis. Okay. After that, next is that the taken as the value of the E and I value on the y-axis of it. Already I mentioned that if there is a sine function is there, taken as the value of this instantaneous of it, taken as along the y-axis of it, and then this is E 0, angle is there, then E value becomes as a 0. Both are 0. This white color means for the EMF and the orange color is for the current of it. That's why this is 0. Again current is 0 for it. First we complete the for EMF. If it is a pi by 2, it goes to the maximum value. See then this is the maximum value. If it is a pi, again it will come to the 0. Next it will come to the minus of it. This is the value of this minus EMF value. This is for the minus I naught. Okay. Next is that the 2 pi, again it will be come for it. Like that it will be complete the cycle of it. Next is for the current. Current is equal to I naught into sin omega t. Use the different angles. Plot the graph of it. 0. Next is goes to the I naught is a maximum value. 0. Minimum value minus I naught. Then again come to the 0 of it. So what is the difference between it? These two are separated at point pi by 2. Because here it shows that the maximum values are both. It goes to the maximum value. And what is that I mentioned here previously? The peak value of the EMF is greater than the peak value of the current, because I naught is equal to E naught upon R. It is divided by the resistance. Definitely that ratio gives as a less value. That the current is below the EMF of it. Like that, plot the graph of it. Wherever 2 points are joined here, 0, pi and 2 pi. These two graph will be joined together. Only for the maximum they are separated, and the current is minimum less than the EMF value of it. This is the way we can plot the graph of the EMF, instantaneous EMF and the currents of it. And here the explanation of this for the AC voltage. And student, now we draw the phase diagram of this AC voltage applied to the resistor, where if it is the only purely resistors are there, what is its phase diagram? The phase diagram of purely resistor. First is taken as the x and y axis. Y axis, and this is the x axis is there. E is equal to E naught into sin omega t. Sin function is there. First, this EMF makes the angle is omega t. Okay, E naught is the length of the arc used as the peak value of it. Sin function is there. That's why we taken as a projection on the y-axis. If it is a cos function is there, taken as a projection on the x-axis. Now here the sin function is there. Definitely you take it as a projection on the y-axis, gives as a instantaneous EMF. Like that here if you take it as this continuous part of it, this is the length of this EMF of the peak value, and from it if you take it as a projection on it, this will be used as the E naught into sin omega t. And then after that from this value, this is the O. From this to this represent here the E naught into sin omega t. Okay, and the length of this arc up to this represent the E naught, peak value of this EMF. Next is the current function is there, that is the current used as the I is equal to I naught into sin omega t. Again same function is there, and the phase difference between them is 0. Therefore phase difference is 0. Sin omega t difference gives as the angle between them is 0, and that's why both are along the same direction. Okay, here it will show that the is not exactly middle of it, here up to this. Okay, I naught is a peak value. Next is that the if I take it as a projection on the y-axis, because sine function is there, definitely I will use as the this is the I naught into the sin omega t. Okay, and this will represent it here the instantaneous value of the current up to this point. Okay, this is the way we draw the phase diagram of the instantaneous EMF and the instantaneous current at the point of it on this phase diagram. Okay.